Deep, deep, deep. A deep or a diepe geheim. A deep secret. Uit die diepte van my hart. From the bottom of my heart. Deep can also mean deeply or profoundly. Diep bedroef. Diep bedroef. That means deeply upset or experiencing deep sorrow. Diep in die bottel kyk. Now, directly translated, that would mean to look deep in the bottle. But it is a saying we use to refer to when somebody is drinking a lot. Diep in gedagte. Deep in thought. Diep ongelukkig. Deeply upset. Diep in die skuld. Deeply in debt. Diep in haar 50s. Deep into her 50s. Diepte. Diepte. Depth. Diepsee. Diepsee. Deep sea. If you are somebody who likes to scuba dive, there's a word in Afrikaans, diepsee duik, which simply means deep sea diving.